Surprise!
Okay, it's fun. Let's try it again. So we are just a few days away from freaking New Year, and this time I don't want to follow the traditional, the dead old way of wishing New Year just by saying Happy New Year. So let's change this. Let's change the way we wish New Year's. I want to do something special for the ones who visit my house during the period after Christmas and before New Year. So let's get started. What I did is I took an ultrasonic sensor, paired it with an Arduino UNO and linked the UNO with a servo. Also the setup is quite simple. The ultrasonic sensor faces towards the entrance, and when it detects the presence of any person, it triggers the Arduino UNO to command the servo, and the servo rotates the rod containing the poster, and the poster suddenly appears in front of the person entering the house through the entrance, just to get some priceless reactions. So let's look into some of the reactions I have captured with my camera.
Surprise!
Now if you plan to build one like you see in this video, I have jotted all the requirements in the description and also the link which leads to the Arduino UNO code, so that you have no work needed to be done. If you love watching such videos, you can get a free subscription of this channel just by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video you are watching on your screen, and you will be notified when I post a new content. So thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.